In this video, we learn how to construct similar triangles of two types. First is construction of similar triangle when there is no common vertex between two similar triangles. And second type is construction of similar triangle when there is a common vertex between two similar triangles. Chapter number 4, Geometrical Construction. In this chapter, we'll solve the examples of practice set 4.1. Practice set 4.1. First example. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, CA is equal to 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. So in this example, the measurements of triangle ABC are given. So we can easily construct triangle ABC. And the constant ratio between sides of the two triangles is given as 5:4. So by definition of similar triangle, we can find the length of corresponding sides of the triangle LMN. So here what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Therefore AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN, which is equal to 5 upon 4. So that is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore sides of triangle ABC are given. So we'll put the values of the sides of triangle ABC. So AB is equal to 5.5 upon LM is equal to 6 upon BC, 6 upon MN. AC is 5.4 upon 4.5 upon LN is equal to ratio is 5 upon 4. Therefore, this first ratio will equate to 5 upon 4. Middle one 5 upon 4. So here we'll do the cross multiplication. LM into 5. LM into 5 is equal to 5.5 into 4. Therefore, LM is equal to 5.5 into 4 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 1.1 into 4. LM is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Similarly, second ratio equate to 5 upon 4. So MN cross multiply. MN into 5 is equal to 6 into 4. That is MN is equal to 6 4s are 24 divided by 5. 24 upon 5 is equal to MN is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Third ratio, that is 4.5. AC is 4.5 centimeter. 1 ln is equal to 5 upon 4. Cross multiply. Ln into 5 is equal to 4.5 into 4. Therefore, ln is equal to 5 ones are 5. 5 9s are 45, that is 0.9 into 4. Ln is equal to 3.6 centimeter. So, rough diagram of triangle ABC, where length of all three sides are given, and rough diagram of triangle LMN, which we have found the length of all three sides are given. Now we'll construct the triangle ABC and triangle LMN. So here there is no common vertex in both the triangles. So they will be these triangles we have to draw separately. So first draw the base segment of length 6 centimeter. That is BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then with the help of compass, take length this distance equal to 5.5 centimeter in the compass. Keep the pointer at B and draw the arc. Then with the help of compass, again take length equal to 4.5 centimeter and from C cut the arc and join AB and AC. 5.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, construct triangle LMN. Base MN is equal to 4.8 centimeter. MN 4.8 centimeter. Take length distance in the compass, that is 4.4 centimeter. And LN 3.6 centimeter. So join point of intersection of arcs, that is LM and LN. LM is equal to 4.4 centimeter and MN is equal to LN is equal to 3.6 centimeter. This is how we can construct two similar triangle when there is no common vertex between two similar triangles. Second example, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. So if you observe these two similar triangle, the triangle in this both the triangle, R is the common vertex. So in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.2 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.4 centimeter, PR is equal to 4.8 centimeter. So length of sides of triangle PQR are given, so we can easily construct triangle PQR. Now we have to construct triangle LTR also such that PQ upon LT is equal to 3 upon 4. Now here the one common vertex is there, so we can directly construct the triangle PQR and LTR. So the analytical rough figure of this triangle, first construct triangle PQR, then draw the acute angle at the base segment, that is RQ of suitable measure. Then here this LT PQs are 3 parts and LT is 4 parts. So this PQ 3 parts means the triangle which is going to be constructed LTR, it will go outside the triangle PQR. So you will divide this array in 4 parts and then join this, then draw the parallel line to QR3 and PQ LT parallel to PQ. So this is the analytical figure, it's rough figure of the construction triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR, where R is the common vertex. First we will draw the base segment RQ of length 5.4 centimeter, RQ 5.4 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, with the help of compass, take the length is equal to 4.8 centimeter with the compass and draw the arc from point Q, point R. Then take 4.2 centimeter in the compass, draw another arc from point Q and construct triangle PQR. So length of measurements of triangle PQR are given. Now here give the measurements 4.8 and 4.2 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, make the angle of one acute angle, that is of any measure you can make. So here I am taking 40 degree acute angle and extend the ray in downward direction. Now with the help of compass, divide this ray into 4, as there are 4 parts. So 4 part, take suitable distance of measurement, any 1.5 or 2 centimeter, and divide this 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Name it as R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now join R3 and Q, as PQ is 3 parts, so we have to join this sides. All sides are of 3 parts: PQ, PR and RQ. Now we have to draw the parallel line to QR3. So extend the ray side RQ. Now with the help of compass, draw an acute angle. Draw the angle congruent to angle R3Q. So keep the pointer at R3 and draw one arc. Don't change the length in the compass, same distance. Keep the pointer at R4. Keep the pointer at R4 and draw the another arc of same length. Now take distance in the compass equivalent to where the arc is cutting from, which we had drawn from R3. Distance between the compass should be this much. Where the arc is cutting the ray and QR3, same length. Keep the pointer where the arc is cutting the ray and cut the arc, and draw the parallel line to QR3 from R4 and point of intersection of 2 arcs. This is the parallel line or a congruent angle to give this angle. So this point will be our point T. Now similarly, we'll draw another parallel line to RP. So extend RP, this parallel line to PQ. So first extend RP, parallel line to PQ we are going to draw. So with the same method, first draw the arc, cut the side RQ and PQ, same length. Keep the pointer at T and draw another arc of same length. Now take distance equal to compass where the arc is cutting side PQ and QR, this much distance, and same distance keep the pointer at arc where it is cutting side QR and cut the arc. And now draw the parallel line to side PQ. This is the parallel line to side PQ. This is how when we can construct two similar triangles when there is one common vertex between two similar triangles. Third example, triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle RST is 40 degree, ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. So we can easily construct three measures of three elements of triangles are given. So we can construct triangle RST. So construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. If you observe these two triangles, there is no common vertex in both the triangles. So here we have to solve the example this by definition of similar triangle, and we will find the corresponding measures of the length of the triangle XYZ. So Here two sides and one included angle is given. So first we know that when two triangles are similar, triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ, then the corresponding angles are congruent. So angle corresponding to angle RST is angle XYZ. So angle RST is congruent to angle XYZ, which is equal to 40 degree. That is corresponding angles of similar triangle. Also, the ratio of the sides of the corresponding sides of the similar triangle are in proportion. So RS upon YZ is equal to ST upon Y. RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ. That is corresponding sides of similar triangle. But RS upon YZ is given as 3 upon 5. Therefore, RS upon XY is equal to RS upon XY is given as 3 upon 5. Therefore, RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore, RS is 4.5 upon XY is equal to ST is 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. So, equate the ratios and cross multiply. So, 4.5 upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. So, XY into 3 is equal to 4.5 into 5, which is equal to XY is 4.5 into 5 upon 3. 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 1.5 into 5 is equal to XY is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Similarly, 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. Cross multiply. YZ into 3 is equal to 5.7 into 5. Therefore, YZ is equal to 5.7 into 5 into 5. 5.7 into 5 into 5 upon 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. So YZ is equal to 1.9 into 5 is 9.5 centimeter. So now we'll construct two similar triangles where there is no common vertex in both the triangles. So rough figure of two similar triangle RST and XYZ. So length ST is 5.7, then angle S is equal to 40 degree RST and RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So we'll construct triangle first, RST. So base segment of length 5.7 centimeter. ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. With the help of protractor, draw the angle of 40 degree at S. Now with the help of compass, take length is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And join RT. Join RT. So this is triangle RST. Now triangle similar to triangle RST, triangle XYZ will construct. So YZ first, YZ is 9.5 centimeter. Draw YZ of length 9.5 centimeter. Then angle, then protractor, you can angle of 40 degree. At Y, 40 degree angle. Now with the help of compass, length of segment XY is 7.5 centimeter. So take length distance equal to 7.5 centimeter in the compass, and from Y draw the arc. So this is our point X, 7.5 centimeter, and join. So this is how we can construct triangle XYZ and triangle RST similar to triangle RST when there is no common vertex in both the triangles. Fourth example, construct triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE. So in these two triangles, vertex is common. In triangle AMT, AM is equal to 6.3 centimeter, angle TAM is equal to 50 degree, AT is equal to 5.6 centimeter, AM upon H is equal to 7.5. Construct triangle AHE. So first we'll construct triangle AMT since the measures of the triangle are given, and then with the help of geometrical instruments we'll construct triangle AHE. See, this construction is same like second example where there is common vertex in both the similar triangle. So this is the rough diagram of the construction. In the same manner we'll draw the fair figure. Now we'll construct these two similar triangle. Now we'll construct the similar triangles. First, draw the AM of length 6.3 centimeter. AM is equal to 6.3 centimeter. AM 6.3 centimeter. With the help of protractor, draw the angle of 50 degree. With the help of protractor, draw angle 50 degree at point A, as angle TAM is equal to 50 degree. Now with the help of compass, take length equal to 5.6 centimeter in the compass, and from point A draw the arc point T. AT is equal to 5.6 centimeter and join TM. So now we'll draw the similar triangle to triangle ATM. So first step is draw an acute angle at point A below the triangle TAM. So acute angle of, we'll draw here 40, you can draw of any measure, but acute angle you have to draw. So first here draw angle of one acute angle. Now cut this ray. Our ratio is AM upon H is equal to 7 upon 5. So AM is divided into 7 parts. So first we'll take the suitable distance of measure 1.5 centimeter and draw 7 arcs and cut this ray in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Name these points at A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now join A7 and M. Now we'll draw the parallel line to MA7 from A5. So take with the help of compass, draw an congruent angle to the angle here at A5. So first draw, take suitable distance and draw one arc. Same length, keep the pointer at A5 and draw another arc. Now take distance equal to compass where this arc is cutting two arms of the angles. Here we are drawing the congruent angle. So keep at this where the arc is cutting and join. Same measure and draw the parallel line from A5 to line M, A7. This is the parallel line to line A5. This is our point H where the segment will meet. M is our point H. Now same method, we'll draw the congruent angle Here take the compass, take suitable length in the compass and draw the arc. With the same measure, draw another arc from edge. Take distance equal to where this arc is cutting the sides of two triangles, triangle ATM. This much length. Take and keep the pointer where the arc is cutting side AM and cut the arc and draw parallel line to TM from point H. So here we will get this triangle similar to triangle ATM, that is AHE. This is how we can construct two similar triangles when there is a common vertex in two similar triangles.